Hi, it's Campbell Such. This is Mindbite Thursday. Email. How do you make sure that you never miss an important or critical or urgent email from some of the key people in your sphere of influence? Maybe your boss, your spouse, the exec or the board, key customer, a key contact in a key customer. One of the things I've found is really powerful to help you with that, to be able to easily pick email out through the deluge of stuff that comes in every day, is to use color coding. I use Outlook, the other applications let you do similar things, and to set up color coding so that email that comes in from my boss comes in as red, email that comes in from any member of the exec, I highlight in blue so I can quickly scan and see whether or not there's anything in there that I should have a look at, and I can go to that first, double check it, make sure there isn't anything urgent that I need to deal with, and then carry on with the rest of my email. I found that really powerful. So in addition to color coding to make sure that I can quickly scan through my email and see which ones I need to check to see if there's anything urgent that I need to deal with in a hurry or that's really important, I've also set up a rule that sends any email that comes in from certain people to a text address that then automatically converts that email into a text and sends it to me. So there's plenty of services around that allow you to do that. But the really powerful thing is I've set that up for my boss so that if an email comes in from him that I get a text, I can then go and check my email quickly on my phone, make sure it's not urgent, but I need to deal with it straight away or important, and then carry on with my day and having dealt with it if it is, or knowing that I can get back to it later if it isn't. So just to wrap up, two things to consider. One is color code your email so that you can quickly scan your email to look through it to pick out the email that you need to look at first. And the second one is to consider setting up a rule that will send an email that comes in from critical people in your sphere of influence, your boss, your spouse, a key customer, a critical person and a key customer, so that you'll get a text to tell you that an email has come in from them. So hopefully that's been useful. That's Campbell Such, Mindbite Thursday, over and out. See you next week. Bye.